How to add a before and after slider to Wix. So in order to do this, head over first to your Wix website and make sure to add an iframe or embed code. Now once you have added this, head over to Help site. Sign up for an account and then on your catalog, just click onto the search widgets and search in here for before and after. You can see in here this before and after slider. Let's head over and click on it. Now on this, you can choose a template on how your before and after slider will look like. For this case, I'll choose in here this product comparison. We have in here this, and as you hover to that part, you can see the comparison between these two products. Continue with this template and you can put in here the set of images that will be compared to this one. You can just click onto this add set and input your before image as well as your after image. Now, once you're done with that, click onto this publish option and then choose the plan that you would want to use. Now, from in there, it will provide you this code, so make sure to copy the code and head back right here to your Wix site. Click onto this enter code and then just input right here the code for the HTTPS. Click on update and it will give you this product comparison slider or before after slider that we have right there. You can just move it around and hover to it in order to see what that will look like. So that's how you add a before and after slider to Wix. Hope we helped.